Hi there, class. Welcome back. It's super good that you are here. Yesterday we did some activities, and I want to start by doing a review about this. And we did some activities about where is and where are. So remember that sometimes we can use where is instead of where's, or the other way around. In the question we use where are and we answer there. So look at this. We have this example that I show you this. I show you this example, and it says, "Where's the fridge?" And if you look at the picture, you might get it. So the answer says, "It's next to the table." This is the question and the answer to ask about only one object, only one thing. Okay. When we are talking about two or more in plural, we might use where are the dishes. For example, they're on the sink. So I wrote this information in pink so you might notice and pay attention to this, okay? Today we are going to review about the possessive S, apostrophe S, and S apostrophe. We're going to review about this, and I'm going to show you some examples that I showed you the last week. So first of all, we are going to talk about the singular nouns or the usual names, the normal names. For example, I use my name, if you can remember. Example, Marcela, and I will say Marcela apostrophe S, like you can see in here. So this is Marcela's phone. I added apostrophe S at the end of my name. I'm a singular and my name is like normal. Why do I say normal? Porque mi nombre no termina con S. When we have a name that ends with S, cuando tenemos un nombre que termina con S, la regla cambia. So look at this. In this case, the S apostrophe, we use it when we are talking about plural nouns, two or more, or names that end with S, o nombres que terminan con S. For example, I use this name that is Jeremías. Of course, in English, the name is different, but we are going to use it this way so you can notice it. So they are Jeremiah's books. So you can see the difference between my name and Jeremías or Jeremías book. So, puedes ver la diferencia en cómo puse apóstrofe S o S apóstrofe, porque el nombre de Jeremías ya termina con S, entonces ya no agregaríamos otra, solo la apóstrofe al final. It's the same when we have like a plural noun. For example, we are going to check some others. In here, possessive apostrophe S. Some examples that I wrote for you today are these. These are my sister's dog. This means that I have only one sister and the dog belongs to my sister, ¿ok? Estos son los perros de mi hermana, ¿ok? So, in the other side, I wrote another example. These are my sister's dogs. If you can see the difference, puedes ver la diferencia en cómo puse apóstrofe S, S apóstrofe. Why does it change? ¿Por qué cambia? Because in this case, it means that I have two or more sisters. En este caso quiere decir que tengo dos o más hermanas. Por eso está en plural, por eso lleva la S y de último está el apóstrofe, ¿ok? So I have another example. It's Maria's book. This is quite easy. Este es el más sencillo. Porque María es una and the notebook belongs to her. El libro el cuaderno le pertenece a María. So then we have they're my mom's clothes. I only have one mother. So in this case, well, in my case, I have only one mother. And these are my mom's clothes. So it means that the clothes belong to whom? To my mother, right? And the last example is Lucas, with Lucas, ¿ok? Si se dan cuenta, el nombre de Lucas termina con S. So in this case, we have their Lucas toys, okay? So it means that the toys belong to Lucas. Como ya el nombre termina con S, simplemente añadimos apostrophe, okay? So I hope this was clear. So we're going to do the activities so we can check if this was clear or not. So if this was clear or not. So the activities that we are going to do today are on the workbook on pages 27 and 28. We have here the examples. My mother's phone is on the dresser. The next example says, Ben's keys are on the table. In this case, it doesn't matter if we have plural or singular. En este caso, no importa si es plural o singular. We are going to do the same rules for the names. You just need to pay attention if the name ends with S or with no S, like you can see in here. Activity A says, look and write. Use apostrophe S. We have number 1, Dan, and these are glasses. There, and you're going to answer their Dan's apostrophe S glasses. Susie's, we have a phone in here. We have my mom and the laptop. We have her brother and the bicycle. So now when you finish this activity, please, you need to finish activity A so you can do activity 9. Read the puzzles, look at 8, then write. So you need to finish activity A so you can do activity 9. And it says, number 1, it's behind the table next to the chair. What is it? You need to pay attention to the prepositions of place and answer. It's her brother's bag. Number 2, it's on the table between the lamp and the bag. What is it? And you need to answer by using a quién le pertenece, okay? It can be, it's Susie's phone, is Dan's glasses, is my mom's computer, and so on. Number 3, were they on the chair behind the kite? This is the kite. What are they? ¿Qué es? Dan's glasses, Susie's phone, or my mom's computer. And number 4, it's on the dressing table. This is the dressing table. Next to the backpack, what is it? And you are going to answer the same way. The next page, page 28, activity 10, says, write the names of the objects, then write new or old. So you're going to use information from the box so you can complete. You have bike, computer, fridge, lamp, phone, and TV. And you have A, B, C, D, E, F. You need to look at these pictures. We already did some activities with the same pictures. And you're going to write in the first line, en la primera línea, el nombre del objeto. In the second line, en la segunda línea, vas a escribir if it's new or if you think it is old. So that's it. When you finish this, you can go to the next activity, that is activity 11, and it's a listening. Listen and read. Match with the all objects in activity 10. You need to finish this activity so you can do activity 11. So we're going to listen to this audio and you are going to write here en los cuadritos vas a escribir if it's letter A, B, C, D, E, or F, okay? So you need to pay attention to this audio so you are going to be able to answer to this activity. So let's check.
Book, page 28, activity 11. Listen and read. Match with the old objects in 10. 1.
It's nearly 2,000 years old. It needs oil in it. The oil burns. 2. Today, we put them in our backpacks. But you can't put this one in your backpack. It needs a big room. 3. It's very big, but the screen is very small. 4. It has 2 wheels, a big wheel and a small wheel. When you ride it, you sit on the big wheel. It's fun.
And that's it. If you need to listen to it again, you are free and able to do it. So don't forget that each picture needs to have your name and also the date. Please write it on it. And also try to send your activities on time, and that's it. We only had these 2 pages, pages 27 and page 28. So that's it for today, and I hope to see you tomorrow, because tomorrow we have the Zoom meeting, we have the live class, and we are going to use the Step Inside book. Try to be there, try to be on time, so we can finish the activities. These activities are much easier than the last ones, so please try to pay attention and be ready for it. If you don't have the Step Inside book, well, you can, puedes descargar las imágenes que siempre subo a las asignaciones cada lunes. So there you have the pages that we are going to use tomorrow. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice and beautiful day. Take care of yourselves and also your family. And I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.